Hello and welcome to the Premier Epos unboxing of the Aorus SangoTill. You receive the till, the printer, power connections for the printer, power connections for the till, barcode scanner, and two peripherals, a keyboard and mouse, and of course the cash drawer. This till itself has a very unique configuration. Back panel, where the actual device is, houses all the bits. Press a button like so, and you can then simply slide the casing off. And this is where you can see all the ports themselves and of course the cable management system. The first one being the power. Next one is the cash drawer connection. You also have two USB ports, the LAN connection for your internet, a further two more USB ports and four COM ports, and also a new style display port. Firstly, we will connect to the power to the actual till itself. A standard power connection configuration. Clover leaf, plug directly into the mains. Power connection itself has 4 pins in it. Again, it only plugs in one way, so don't force it, and plug in like so. Next, we can plug in some peripherals. First one being a USB mouse. Plugs into any of the USB ports, it makes no difference, like so. Next, keyboard. Again, standard USB configuration. Plug directly into, again, any USB ports. Next, we'll move on to the printer itself. The printer has a few connections in the back. It has the power port, Ethernet connection, cash drawer connection, USB connection, and old style serial connection. Again, very similar power to the actual till itself. Standard kettle lead connection into the power brick. Feel free to plug it directly into the mains. Power connection, again, has 3 pins in it. Again, only goes on one way, do not force it. Next is the USB connection, and again, a square end and a rectangular end. The square end is what plugs directly into the printer itself. USB end, again, plug directly into any of the USB ports. The cash drawer connection, which plugs directly into the printer itself, very similar to an Ethernet port, but slightly smaller. Plugs into that connection there, not the Ethernet connection, so it's the smaller one we're looking for. Plug in like so. And of course, the Ethernet connection itself for the actual connection to the internet for your till. Plug that directly into the LAN port, situated in between the USB ports. Next is the barcode scanner and assembly. Again, you have the arm and the cradle placed together, and with the screw provided, secure the arm directly to the cradle. Once secure, you can then slot the arm directly into the base, and again, should be flush with the base itself. Barcode scanner, again, is a USB configuration. Place the barcode scanner on the cradle, and again, plug the USB connection into any USB port. As you can see, there's a little connection here. This is to house all your cables for the management system. Once you've secured them all, as you can see on the panel here, you see there's a little area here notched out. That simply pops out with a little bit of force, and this hole is used for the cables to feed through. Once you've tidied all your cables up, the power switch itself for the till, there's also the power switch for the printer itself. Once it boots up, it is ready to be used as your till. Truly hope this has been an informative video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.